She's a Mona Lisa.
Hey guys, it's Amanda here and welcome back to my channel. So it's summer and I feel like I owe you guys a DIY, so here we go. This is a DIY for a wrap shirt, not the rapture. No, my boy JC still taking his time. He'll come back, but you know, in due time, in due time. For now, you still have time to repent. I'll leave. I'll leave. But if you guys are looking for a super easy DIY, this is extremely easy. All you're gonna need is a t-shirt, preferably a v-neck, and you'll see why. And you're gonna need some scissors. And that's it. If you're ready, stay tuned. Let's get started. All right, to get started, you're going to need to try on your t-shirt. So right here, I tried it on and marked it with my scissors where I want the shirt to end. You can make this as long or as short as you want, but I prefer more of a crop top look. Okay, so now that your t-shirt is lying down flat, you're gonna flip it over and cut up the back to where you marked it. And then once you're done doing that, you're gonna flip up that back piece, make sure that both sides are even, and then you're gonna cut off that back piece. Make sure that you clean up any edges here so that everything looks nice and neat. Next, you're going to cut straight down the center of just the front. This is why a v-neck is better because it already gives you a point to cut from. Make sure this is as even as possible. After that, you're going to cut off the neckline. This is just to make a better neckline, and make sure to clean up the edges here too. Also, make sure that your t-shirt is either really loose or super stretchy. Even though this t-shirt was big on me, it was still a little tight once I made the DIY. So again, make sure that it's either super stretchy or really loose on you. Otherwise, you'll end up with little nubs. But once you're done cutting off the neckline, you are all set. You can go ahead and try on your new wrap shirt. What do you guys think? Even though it was a little tight on me, I think it still turned out pretty great. But let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Also, I made another one in gray and you can see that the fit here is a lot better. I hope you guys enjoyed this one and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all